Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Vincent Tseka strikes again. If you don't know who he is, he's the manager of Bafana Bafana, one of the administration guys, right? He has got a track record of doing izinto wrong. It's very embarrassing for a professional outfit ukwenza izinto eziso. Lezi zinto lezi sizi-expecta le ebhucwini, izinto zama-visa and whatnot. The funny thing is, he booked or he submitted izinto zakhe no-Hugo Bros, but ezabanye abantu Helman Mkhelela azange submit. Maybe ufuna ukuba assistant coach. This guy needs to be fired. Now let me start. Number one, 2022, right? If you remember, Bafana was going to play against Botswana and Sierra Leone. So he failed to book Etopsonville Stadium for them to practice. 2023, he failed to book the High Performance Center Pretoria. I think Bafana, they were preparing for the AFCON. Then 2024 was Pumuza, but no, have a breather. Angeka yenza ama mistake. Now 2025, that's when Indaba Katebukhom Kwena he was involved, right? Hugo Bros, he also took the blame for that. Maybe he became protector and whatnot. 2026, indaba yama-visa. We can't have that. We can't have the same, allegedly, right? It's alleged. It's what we hear from the news outlets. This guy wins his interview, so. But we can't have that. As a national team, we can't have umuntu one as a nama mistake so. So there's other people who saying Uguti he wants to sabotage Denny Jordan. We don't know. Yes, we know Uguti Gusafa. There's a lot of fights and whatnot, but this guy needs to go. For me, because was ban if we qualify, I don't know if we qualify for the next round, and then maybe we have to move to a different seat. Was ban good maybe angeka buke ama luntuzana ama room. Bazobuya nje if wenza izinto eziso, maybe angeka buka ama ticket. Bafethu. This is totally embarrassing. We can't have this thing. As a national team, it's very embarrassing. Let me know what you think in my comments. Ngiyabonga.